We do have some good news on the pandemic front. India is one step closer to rolling out a vaccine. It's only a matter of time now. Today, the government-appointed panel, the panel of experts on vaccines, met in New Delhi. Data on two candidates was presented to them: Covishield, better known as the Oxford vaccine, and Covaxin from Bharat Biotech. Now, the panel has approved one shot today out of the two that it considered. Covishield is the one that has been approved, or the Oxford vaccine. Now, what does this mean? It means that Covishield is now set to get the green light, the emergency use authorization in India. This is not the final approval. It is just a recommendation. It's been made to the Drugs Controller General of India, who is the Indian drug regulator. So the file has gone to them. The Oxford vaccine could be the first one to be approved in India. The decision could come in a matter of days. What about the Made in India vaccine, Covaxin? What is its status? Sources say that this could also be recommended, but it may take some more time. The nod from the expert panel to the Oxford shot is very significant. It now needs just one final clearance from the regulator, which means that India could kickstart its mass immunization program this month. Preparations are underway. A dry run for the vaccination drive is scheduled in all states tomorrow. The government of India has set an ambitious target for this. The plan is to vaccinate 30 crore people, 30, in 6 to 8 months. And the world will be watching India closely for two main reasons. One, India is the second worst affected country in the world. A vaccine rollout means a quicker end to the pandemic. And two, the cost. Everyone wants a cheap but effective vaccine. The developing world especially is pinning their hopes on India, because India has some promising candidates to offer, like the Oxford vaccine. India could be one of the largest producers of this shot, the Oxford shot, and that too at an affordable price. Reports say the Oxford vaccine will cost around $3 per dose. For perspective, let's compare it to the Pfizer shot, the first one to be approved by the West. The Pfizer shot has been priced around $20 per shot. The Serum Institute of India holds the license to produce the Oxford vaccine here. It has committed to producing 1 billion doses for low and middle income countries. The world is watching India for other reasons too, like capacity. We've already told you how India supplies 60% of the world's vaccine needs. Cities like Hyderabad have the medical infrastructure to meet 1/3 of the global vaccine demand, which means 1/3 of the world can be inoculated thanks to India. And the world will not hesitate in procuring a vaccine from India because of the safety record of Indian companies. Now consider this. The World Health Organization procures vaccines for different diseases. They're supplied to lower and middle income nations. The WHO has approved 5 Chinese vaccines for export. From India, the WHO has approved 47 vaccines. Do you see the difference? This is the reason why the world is counting on India, because of its track record of safety and efficacy. And this is the reason why the process to approve vaccines in India must be done right. So here is where we stand. It looks like the Oxford vaccine will be the first one to be rolled out in India, with other candidates being granted approvals in the near future. We'll keep track for you, of course. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.